over here. Let's check out this house called the Dillon. I better run inside. I feel like the wind's gonna start blowing all that stuff over here. The Dillon. Anytime they're cutting bricks or cement.
Go to richnotohomes.com.
That always makes like a mushroom cloud. So now that we're in here relatively quickly, let's have a look. That's kind of nice. You could see the options, the option packages. We're at Everbe from Pulte. Oh, did I just lose battery or something? Okay. I think my other camera went out. That's a big pantry, wow. I like all the shelves too, fantastic. This is kind of nice. I like that it's a little bit of a little sectioned wall over here, and then the living room is in there. I like that. You know, if you have been watching my videos, then you've heard me say many times that I like kind of sectioned off rooms. I don't really like those everything in one rooms. Oh, this is interesting. Was not expecting laundry there, which is open to, I guess this is, what is this, the garage maybe? Yeah, garage, and you got some extra space on each side of the garage door, which is great. And here's your lanai. Oh wow, that's good. I mean, it's interesting. I guess it's good. I was kind of wondering what these are. So obviously this is something they added. Okay, so it's some kind of a, I guess maybe like some type of like a fake wood. It feels like the back of a bookshelf. That's what it feels like. If you've ever put together a bookshelf or touched the back, that's what it is. Okay, so here's your bathroom. HVAC closet. So nice house, I like it. So what you have is, you know, as it's set up as, it's set up as a 3-bedroom, but you know, this is always considered, you know, a flex room. Even if it does come like this with this big wall, after you close, you will call somebody in and just like put up a door, or like a double door or something, and then you know you have another bedroom. Back out to the soaring. Thank you everyone for watching. Check out my website, richnotohomes.com.